English vocabulary with pictures, problems, and defects. Number 1. Scratched. This CD is scratched. Another way to say it is there are scratches on the CD. Scratches are marks on the surface. Number 2. Cracked. The CD and the windshield are cracked. Number 3. Smashed. The guitar is smashed. Smashed means completely broken into many pieces. Number 4. Torn. Ripped. The jeans are torn or ripped. Torn and ripped are usually used for fabric or paper. Number 5. Crumpled. The paper is crumpled. This word is typically used only with paper. Number 6. Stained. The shirt is stained. Another way to say it is there is an ink stain on the shirt. Number 7. Chipped. The mug is chipped. This means there is a small piece missing. Number 8. Dented. The car door is dented. This word is used when a piece of metal goes in. Number 9. Bent. The key is bent. The word bent is used when something that should be straight is not straight. Number 10. Burnt. The bread is burnt. The word burnt is used when something was heated too much and turned black. Thanks for watching English Tips from Espresso English. If you liked this video, please share it.